Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I wanted to talk about KTM's 2023 Rc390, talking about its new features and what was already good about the bike. But before we get started, please could you drop a like and subscribe for more videos, as I'd really appreciate it. KTM's Rc390 is an A2 compliant middleweight sport bike. It hosts a single cylinder motor with 44 horsepower housed in a sharp 155 kg lightweight chassis, supplying fun and surprising pace both on and off the track. Despite the budget of £5,800, there's a quality feel to the Austrian bike. This is not a low spec bit of kit. Real attention to detail in the design and high spec components make it feel much more expensive and accomplished than its price tag. It's a much better looking model than the previous generation of the Rc390, with its new colour scheme and detailing that comes from its MotoGP team. The wheels are far lighter than the previous generation of bike, which has increased the bike's agility, and an increased frame flex allows the rider to have greater feeling through the bars. You have to ride the bike to be able to tell how much of an improvement this is, as the spec sheet just doesn't do it justice. The KTM Rc390 engine produces 44 horsepower and 27 foot-pounds of torque. In the clip shown in the background currently, the rider was able to achieve 180 km an hour, which is roughly 112 miles per hour, which is very respectable for a bike with this horsepower. The Rc390 is much roomier than the previous model, with the bars sitting 10mm further forward. Only taller riders might feel their comfort compromised thanks to the relatively high footrest. It's not a massive issue, and the trade-off is a huge ground clearance, which lower pegs would reduce. The 824mm seat height means that most will get their feet on the ground, and though the fairing gives the impression it could only protect midgets, it offers enough wind protection at a sustained 100 miles an hour, however. The Kawasaki Ninja 400, Yamaha's R3 and the Honda CBR 500 Marta are all competing in the A2 licence category along with the KTM 390. However, they just cannot match the KTM's equipment levels. At this price tag of £5,800, it also makes the A2 restricted bikes such as the Rs660 and the R7 seem very expensive, as they are over £3,000 more expensive. And when S660 is reduced down to the same 47 horsepower limit, the top speed is actually worse due to the higher weight of the bike. Build quality and finish look strong and durable, and the TFT dash offers extra class. Suspension control is class leading, but it's the electronics package, which includes a 3-axis IMU to give cornering ABS and traction control, that sets the KTM apart. Overall, the KTM Rc390, in my opinion, is by far and away the best sports bike in this horsepower category. But that is all for today's video, so thank you for watching, and please let me know what you think of the new 2023 KTM Rc390 in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.